Happy Friday, May 8th. Welcome to your math review corrections video. All right, we're going to start with subtraction. 7,715 minus 7,220. I know this number is less because there's 700s and there's only 200s here. In the ones place, 5 minus 0 is 5. We're unable to do 1 minus 0, so we group from the hundreds place. We now have 6 hundreds and 11 tenths. 11 minus 2, 11, 10, 9. 6 minus 2 is 4, and then 7 minus 7 is 0, so we don't need a comma. Your final answer is 495. Give yourself a star for the answer, and give yourself a star for showing regrouping on this problem. Next, we're doing some division practice in the form of multiplication because it's the first step of the standard algorithm of division. We have 7 times what gets us as close to 57, and then 9 times what gets us as close to 30. All right, well, let's start with a benchmark number like 10. 4 times 10 is 40. We can get another 4 into there because that's worth 5. So let's see, 4 times 11 is 44. For 7, I know 7 times 8 is 56, which is pretty close. If you need a trick to remember 7 times 8, if you look at it backwards like this, 56 equals 7 times 8, you'll see it goes in order. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a good way to remember that one. And then for the last problem, we have 9 times what equals 30. Well, 9 times 3 is 27. That's only 3 away. Give yourself a star for each of those that you got, 11, 8, and 3. That's up to 3 stars on this page, or on this question. Next, we have multiplication using area model. We are doing 74 times 22. So here we have 7 tens, which is worth 70, 4 ones, which is worth 4, and then 2 tens worth 20, and 2 ones worth 2. Here we'll do 70 times 20. 7 times 2 is 14, plus those 2 zeros at the end of the problem, or you could say moving it over 2 places on the place value chart. Here we have 4 times 20. 4 times 2 is 8, plus the 0 is 80. And then 70 times 2 is 140, and 4 times 2 is 8. Now that we have all those partial products, we'll go ahead and add them up. In the ones place, we have 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Regroup the 1. 4 plus those 2 is 6, and then bring down the 1 since there's nothing else to add to it. Your final product is 1,628. Give yourself a star for the product, and give yourself a star for using area model. Last problem for math review of the week is, I forgot his name because I don't have the problem up in front of me, but he has 10 dimes, and he has 2 quarters. How many times as many dimes does he have as quarters? So if there's 2 quarters, and we want to know how many times does it take to get to those 10 dimes, or you could say there's 10 dimes, which is how many times greater than the 2 quarters? 2 times 5 is 10, or 10 divided by 5 is 2. Oh, Oliver is his name. Oliver has 5 times as many dimes. Bummer. Too bad he didn't have 5 times as many quarters. Those are worth more. Give yourself a star for the sentence. Give yourself a star for the answer of 5. And let's count up final stars. I hope you made an improvement in one of the areas this week as we did the same concepts every day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 becomes your denominator. That's how many total stars there are. How many did you earn goes on top. Happy Friday. I hope you have a great weekend. I will see you on Monday. Bye.